Welcome to Southern Motors, Michigan's leading muscle and classic car dealer since 1978. Remember, you can always go online and check out our updated inventory at southernmotors.com. Today, guys, going to take a look at just an absolutely stunning, this is a 1957 Ford two-door ranch wagon, killer car, guys. I gotta be honest with you, I've never even seen one of these cars. I guess they're very rare. It's funny, when I bought this car, it was at a show and there was actually a 55 ranch wagon there as well. But just beautiful car, man. I bought this car from a guy. I've actually bought, well, we've ended up buying about 4 cars from him now, but everything he's got, he's a Ford guy. Everything he's got's just super nice. And I'll tell you one thing, he builds them to drive them. This is about a 10-year-old complete frame-off restoration. Said there's less than 5,000 miles on the car since it was done. Beautifully done. It's actually finished in GM Butternut yellow. It's got a custom two-tone tan leather interior in it, 390 cubic inch underneath the hood, automatic overdrive with cruise control. Just a really nice car, guys. Got all the paperwork for the restoration. A little blemish there in your paint that's been touched up. Again, he will drive them, so there's going to be some little touch-up marks. But like I say, I bought a pickup truck from him a couple of years ago. The people still have it that bought it from me. They just absolutely love it. But great car, really good builder, guys. Does a really nice job on the cars. And I mean, this thing's, like I say, it's even got cruise control, air that blows ice cold. If you're looking for a nice car to jump in, sorry guys, little bugs up there still. Nice car, just jump in, turn the key and go have some fun. I think you'll love this car. You can see it's got tinted glass. Like I said, I think everything on the car works. I know the air blows cold. I know the heat works. All this back here, the glass, the latch here, all the hatch, all that stuff works. I love the tail lights on these cars. Little crack there. Pretty car and fun to drive, man. When I first got this thing in, like I said, when I bought it actually at the show, I jumped in it and drove it, and it hits the road great. Again, same thing on this side, little blemish there. Car's nice and straight down the sides. Those are brand new 17 and 18 inch Coys C5 chrome wheels. I love the knockoffs on them. Pretty car. It is wicked cold today, guys. My gosh, it's negative right now. Chrome and stainless is slick. Front disc brakes. Again, this is a 390 cubic inch engine. You can see Edelbrock 4-barrel, Edelbrock intake. Does have a nice set of ceramic coated headers on it. Power steering, disc brakes, air, vintage heat and air. You can see the Mallory ignition box on it. Automatic overdrive trans. And again, cruise control. It's got an inside hood release. I love the knockoffs. Car's out of North Carolina. You can see the A-pillar chrome's nice. Chrome mirrors, new door handles. It's got power windows, new door rubbers, very soft. That'll come out, guys. This is a little from our dirty hands on here. It's got power windows, very soft two-tone leather, new carpet, new sill plates. Look how nice that interior is. That's a remote for the radio, and actually the radio, it's a hidden unit underneath the seat. Ididit, polished tilt column, wood wheel. That's a fold down seat. Showing 87,000 miles on it. The gauges work. It's got the factory cluster in it with like a factory looking radio, but actually, like I say, the radio is actually underneath the seat here. But he said there's less than just under 5,000 miles on the restoration. Dual exhaust. It's a 9-inch 350 rear. It's got leaf spring rear suspension. It's a great car, man. Killer car. Again, all this stuff works and functions. Here's all the paperwork on the build. Like I say, 2011, 2012 is when the car was built. Yeah, you just have to turn those little knobs and come down. Yep. It is wicked cold. How are your hands right now, Jordan?
Chilly.
And the fit and finish is nice. Car's very nice underneath. Got some good pictures of the bottom of the car for you. Whew. My hands are about to fall off. It's so cold. And I got gloves on. Power windows work good. Sorry guys, a little dust in there, man. Little stone peck there. The interior's beautiful. Again, it has a remote, and then here's the under the seat unit. There's also a plug-in, I believe that's what that is right there for your phone. Dash is nice. Steering wheel's beautiful. Go ahead, fire it up, Jordan. Little marks on those. Got a good sound in 390 in it too, guys. Might be so cold, I don't know if the air will kick on, but air blows cold. It's got a little button in there you actually have to push to activate the air. That's a nice car right there. And it's different. Stuff that, you know, I love stuff that nobody's got. Dash lights work, fuel gauge works, temp gauge works. Like I say, the dome light works, power windows. I think that's the other, yep, power windows work. Like I said, got a good sound in 390 in it. Love those taillights. Car's got a good sound to it. Yeah, that's the radio. Radio all works, blower motor works. Oh, that's your temp gauge down there. No on the wipers. I think those wipers work, guys. Pretty sure they do. My hands are froze. Again, guys, make sure you keep track of our inventory. You can do it at southernmotors.com. You can also keep track of us on our social media, Instagram and Facebook page. Definitely subscribe to our YouTube page. You can do that by clicking the little button there at the bottom. That way you get a notification every time I post a new video, guys. Great way to keep in touch with us. Boy, is that a nice car, man. Have a great day, guys.